Hi everyone! Great to see you again in Tita Ester YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Today, I will share with you one of the highlights in my holiday in Kemer, Turkey. A boat tour following the footsteps of the pirate Captain Jack Sparrow. Do you find this girl sexy? Then watch this video and see her other friends too. With this van, it took us 1.5 hours from the hotel to Kemer. We left at 6 in the morning to avoid the heavy traffic. We arrived on time, so did many other groups from other hotels in that area. We were directed to our assigned ships by our tourist guide. The pirate ships were colorfully decorated and have their own theme, like the Pirate of the Caribbean, the Vikings, Medusa, and the Skull Ship, and so on. While boarding our ship, Davy Jones and his crew from the Pirate of the Caribbean were welcoming us with a scary look, and we felt that it was so obvious that he's still looking for Captain Sparrow. Joke lang yon ha! The seaside resorts in Kemer are surrounded by the turquoise blue sea of the Turkish Riviera and the 2,000-meter-high mountains of the Taurus. All ships departed on time and spread in different directions. On our schedule was to anchor in 3 different lagoons where we could have a refreshing swim, and buffet was open and drinks were served. While the ships gliding in the coast of Kemer, tourists took the chance to take a lot of pictures, finding new friends, relaxing, or simply sunbathing on the upper deck. There are really some women on the ship with incredible and daring outfits. Anong masasabi niyo mga amiga? Dare ba tayo? There was a photo shooting offered together with a parrot, which young, sexy, pretty girls took advantage to be in the limelight while being admired by many people and men in particular. These girls really knows how to pose and show their best angles. Even the parrot seems to enjoy being held by the beautiful girls and even getting a kiss once in a while. It's lambada time with my new Spanish friend. Our next stop is the Moonlight Beach, and Captain Davy Jones allowed us to swim but warned us at the same time to watch out for the sharks. Oh, here's Peter. Can you see him? Looks like he needs help. I hope there are no sharks. Here are 5 famous beaches in Kemer worth mentioning because they are affordable, with friendly services, and you will have a guaranteed amazing holiday too. These are Moonlight Beach, Paselis Beach, Olympus Beach, Beldive Beach, and last but not the least, Atrasan Beach. Swimming makes tired and hungry, some taking their well-deserved siesta, and Peter and I shared an ice cream in a sugar melon, and it's yummy. Now, one of the highlights of the ship tour is the foam party. It's fun watching the people dance and dive and disappear into the foam. If you didn't try it yet, put it in your bucket list. It's masaya, mag-enjoy ka talaga. Come on, let's party! Let's dive in the foam! You two guys really having fun. Oh, this woman in yellow, nagwawala na talaga siya. Of course, you too. And that woman in pink too, nagwawala na rin siya. The foam party was a real success. Everybody will remember and cherish this moment. Time was running so fast, we didn't notice that we are already approaching the harbor. Last pictures for the remembrance of the trip. And exchanging calling cards with this newlywed Russian couple. We arrived in Kemer Harbor and getting ready to be brought back in our hotel. Fun never ends with the Spanish group. They always find something to joke and laugh about. Driving back to the hotel, we passed by this historical river, and according to history, this was the river where the Apostle St. Paul was landing with his boat in his first missionary trip. After freshening up, we decided to take a rest in the sleeping shell beside the pool and do some office work. It is so relaxing. Some pictures for the photo album. I guess I inspired them to do the same. It's understandable that after having such an exciting day that you will be hungry. By the way, this is Emil. She was there for us in the restaurant the whole week. Whatever we needed, she was ahead of our thought and bring already in our table what we wanted to have. Thank you again, Emil. It was really nice knowing you. After dinner, enjoy the spectacular daily shows and asking the bartender to mix us the perfect piña colada. A short glance at the disco and watch the impressive laser shows made our day almost complete. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video of Kemer in Turkey. I am Tita Ester. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me in my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat ho at mabuhay tayong lahat. Before I forget, a walk and a short rest beside the pool makes our perfect day complete. Sitting down in silence, thanking God for all the blessings He gave to me today. Maraming salamat sa panunood at magandang buhay mga kababayan!